Momiji Manju. What? Momiji Manju. Momiji Manju. Hey, konnichiwa. What's up? What's up, man? Yeah, man. Hey, yo, so y'all wondered, man. Yo, Koku God boss. Hey, yo, man. Y'all ever wondered how that damn taiyaki they make it? They do it here, man. You know what I'm saying? Here, taiyaki. Like that. They make it like this. See those levers, man? Wow. It's a very operative motion, like an assembly line type process. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, I guess you can't see it too well because of the glare, but check it out, man. They fill the compartments with cream. Wow, then they mold it. And then while they're frying, man, they just come out here, man. Yeah. Yeah, check it out. Blah, got you some. Yeah, manju taiyaki. That shit is good, man. That's very good. But then again, you know what I'm saying? I don't recommend that y'all eat too much because, you know what I mean? Y'all gonna get too many love handles. And some of you bitches, you know what I'm saying? Yo, this dude wildin'. You been wildin' out all day. You need to chill. You know what I'm saying? And then, man, you know what I'm saying? Oh, hey. So it's time for look for some girls, man. There's too much testosterone in this party. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but anyway, yeah, it's Koku God boss, man. Just chilling with a bunch of you dudes, man. You know what I'm saying? But this is the last time, man. You know what I'm saying? Yo, just had to show you how to make some manju. I'm about to be out, man. Peace.